Hello Jollynatics! For today's video, tara samahan nyo nga kami at meron kaming isi-share sa inyong isang Chinese resto na bukod nga sa nag-o-offer ng iba't ibang Chinese and Filipino food, meron din silang authentic dumplings na talagang legit at solid. Bali nandito nga tayo sa Chinese Dumplings Restaurant located along GSIS Road, Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite. Ito naman yung simple at malinis nilang dining area, and pagdating naman sa menu, they mostly offer Chinese dishes pero meron na ring mangilang-ngilang Filipino food na kasama. At simulan na nga natin sa kanilang beef noodles na isa sa mga nagustuhan namin since slightly seasoned lang yung broth. Just enough to open your appetite, malambot yung beef at ang dami ng serving. Meron din sila ditong pork Shanghai, and if you have kids, pwede to. Isa pang masarap at nagustuhan namin dito yung kanilang stir-fry noodles. Hindi sagi yung noodles, peppery at nasa sweet side yung lasa niya. And kung bumisita kayo dito, this is definitely a must try. They also have pork sisig na meaty at malasa yung overall timpla at mapapakanin ka talaga. Although sana lang may mga halong cartilage part ng pork like tenga or pisngi for added crunchy texture since yun yung nakasanayan natin. Pero siguro iba talaga yung atake nila dito since Chinese resto nga sila. Nevertheless, it was really tasty. Ito naman yung kanilang sweet and sour pork, thinly sliced crispy pork coated with their special sweet and sour sauce. And kung mahilig ka nga sa mga sweet and sour dishes, this is for you. Ito naman yung kanilang pork chow fan, peppery at slightly sweet. Actually, pwede na tong kainin as is. Malasa na kasi talaga siya but still, pwede pa rin i-partner sa mga ulam na nabanggit ko. Next naman is yung pork barbecue with mashed potato. And yes, kung napansin nyo rin, sobrang laki at ang generous ng serving ng mashed potato. And yung talaga nag-stand out sa akin dito is yung mismong pork barbecue. Masarap at malambot yung mismong meat, parang ang braised pork yung pagkakaluto dito And kung ikaw yung tipo na talagang mahilig sa Chinese food, confident akong magugustuhan mo rin to. And lastly, punta na nga tayo sa kanilang mga dumplings, and take note sarili nilang gawa to. Ito yung kanilang egg with leek and shrimp flavor. Unang kagat, talagang meaty at flavorful yung feeling. Talagang lasang hindi tinipid, tapos saktong kapal lang nung wrapper. Same goes dun sa kanilang dumpling scallion. Yung flavor naman nito, talagang malalasahan mo yung scallion tsaka yung mga iba't ibang spices na ginamit. Tapos saktong sausaw lang sa combination ng soy sauce at chili oil, talagang perfect combination. And para sa amin, masarap at highly recommended talaga yung mga dumplings nila. Not to mention na reasonable din yung price at marami pa nga talaga kaming flavors na dapat matikman. For drinks naman, umorder kami nung kanilang watermelon shake and yung kanilang mango shake. And kung may kasama nga kayong kids, talagang may enjoy nila to kasi parehas masarap, creamy at refreshing. Pero meron din naman silang ibang drinks dito like sodas and beers. And by the way, available sila dito for deliveries through Grab or Food Panda. And open naman sila dito Monday to Sunday from 10 AM to 2 AM. So there you go Jollynatics, I hope nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng idea kung saan masarap mag food trip, lalo na yung mga mahihilig sa Chinese food dyan. And kung natakam at nag-enjoy nga kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like, share and follow our page for more videos like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching!